What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Super excited for today's video because we're finally, hopefully finally, going to be curing the issue of the SS. It has electric fans on it right now, but it's like when you sit and you let it idle with the AC on max. Usually when it's kind of hotter out, it seems like it doesn't move like enough air, like the fans don't have enough CFM to move enough air. And so I think we got the fix for it, and I'll show you what I got here. So these are Derale electric fans. You can get them off of Summit, and also I think Driven Speed Performance is where we purchased these. But these have a lot more CFM than what we got. The ones we got right now are, I think they're LS1 fans, and I just don't think that they move enough air. They don't have enough CFM, and it's kind of weird because I don't think I've really heard of anybody else having the same issue, unless if it's like, you know, you could adjust it in HV tuners for the fans or something like that. But I haven't really tried that or anything because I just don't want to mess anything up. So we're going to try this, and hopefully that is the fix. When we started first having this issue, we changed radiators. So from the stock went to an FSR radiator. That's all aluminum and everything. And that helped, but it still happens. But these are the LS1 fans, I believe, that have the 3 relays that you can see right there. And yeah, I just don't think that they move enough air for us. Here's what the new ones look like. I think total these make 4,000 CFM. Not 100% sure, but one thing I did notice about these that are a lot nicer than the ones we have is that these are in a nice metal shroud and everything, and I think they're gonna be a big step up from what we have. I can already tell that these fans look a lot better. So now we just gotta go ahead and get it installed.
And you don't need that much wire. 1/4 inch. Okay. Now there's different size insulators. There's these that are for the bigger wire, and then these that fit most of it. So fix your wires. What do I put in here? These. So then you take your wire, lay it in there like that. Then I use C on here. All right, that crimps the wire just to get a little bit tighter. these you gotta squeeze them a little bit. Now you go over to A, which is the bigger end. And then you have that. Same process for this wire. Put this like right at the end of the wire. Put this on here. That in. Go to C. This one, you go to A, then you have it. Then you take, so you can take this, no, don't need that one, it's got caps in it. Take this one. I always do A, you can make any of these what you want. I always make A positive, and for just these 2 pins, A and B. A positive, B negative. Okay, then they lock in there. And then you clamp them down. You have a waterproof connector.
Since we have pegs right here, we're just gonna make pegs on the lower part of the fans, and then they'll just kind of drop right in down here, and then we'll just have 2 brackets on each end over here, kind of like what we did on these, where we just had a bolt that goes through right to those pegs. We're gonna do the same thing. We just got it running, new fans in. We just added coolant, so now we're just letting it go through the system, see if we gotta add any more, but it's looking good, it's looking real good. Fans haven't kicked on yet. Oh, actually they have. Fans are on too. All right, the fans just kicked on high. Derale fans are installed. That's gonna do it for today's video. Derale makes an awesome kit, so shout out to them. Other than that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.